Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, so let's tap on it and choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to scroll down and tap on the settings. And here in advanced options we've got clear browsing data, so let's tap on it. As you can see here we've got some options which we can mark and then they will be removed, so we can remove input history, browsing history, cached pages, cookies and password, site settings and homepage news cache. And if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So I will remove cookies, password, site settings and homepage, so actually everything. And if you are happy, just tap on this clean icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on clear if you're ready, and as you can see the data has been cleared successfully. So that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your HUAWEI MatePad T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.